Hello everybody, today in front of me I have Motorola One 5G Ace, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to begin with, make sure to turn on the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile data. Once done, among the shortcuts at your control center, try to find the nearby share. If you will not find the tile for it, enter the layout edit mode and drag it from the list of unused shortcuts. So then touch and hold at the nearby share icon over here, turn it on by toggling this switch. From here you can rename your device if you want to, or set some custom alias for your phone to be visible to other devices in the same network. So let's say I'll rename it to HardReset Ace. Then you can turn on and respectively turn off the device visibility. Once enabled, you can either make it so that your device will be visible only for your devices, or the devices that have the same Google account signed into, only to the people from your contacts list, or to everyone who is in range. Finally, you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and you are all ready to go. So let's test this feature out. Let's say I will try to transfer the screenshot from another phone I have in my hands currently. So here my Motorola gets discovered, so I'll tap on it. Then I will also need to accept the transfer on the receiver's end, and as you can see, the image gets transferred right away. Like so, you can send like videos, photos, pictures, files, documents, whatever is that you would like to transfer to another device or to another person. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.